Welcome to Entrepreneur Startup Stories. Today we are going to see how to make this quarantine period into highly productive. There is a magic in investing in yourself. Invest this time to do something productive, so it's better to learn your skill set. Hence, we bring to you the top 5 skills you should learn during lockdown. Also, kindly take up this time to subscribe to us and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from the Entrepreneur Startup Stories YouTube channel. So, without much ado, let's begin. Number 1, the skill set that has an immediate impact on your life. This is varies from person to person depending on his or her profession. Number 2, coding skill. Coders, programmers, developers, software engineers always be in demand, especially with the virus. After this will over, there will be a huge demand for this skill. If you having an interest or thinking about it, coding skill is extremely valuable. Number 3, digital marketing skill. More companies, if they have been doing businesses online or selling online, now after this coronavirus, they will be more motivated. In the upcoming era, digital marketing having a great influence in our society. The business who always doing offline, they are thinking about online businesses. So it's a great time to get knowledge about digital marketing skill. Number 4, remote team culture. Remote team culture provides the flexibility and comfort to the people, which may result on higher level of productivity. The remote working come even more common because the new generation of managers wanted this in their workplace. During this lockdown period, most of the big companies are subjected to use this technique. So for an entrepreneur, mastering in this technique helps a lot in their future. Finally, we came to the last and the most important skill of the list. Number 5, reading and listening skills. As we all know that all leaders are readers. From that we can able to understand the importance and the power of reading skill. Listening also having an equal amount of importance. These reading and listening skills having a greater potential to make you fortune. As a conclusion, these top 5 skills having the direct influence on your financial status. If you having any suggestion to improve our list, kindly leave them in the comment section below. We will be glad to hear from you. Finally, thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. If this is the first time you are watching, do look out for more videos in our playlist and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from the Entrepreneur Startup Stories YouTube channel to learn more. Happy learning!